Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can set any song as a ringtone on your iPhone and iPad without any jailbreak. So let's start. Open the iTunes and select the song you want to set as ringtone. I have already downloaded the song, which is Vario Mortals. As you can see, drag and drop the song into the music library on the iTunes. In the next step, right click on the song and click on Song Info. Now go to Options. Now specify the start and stop of the song period. The sound period should be less than or equal to 30 seconds. Then click OK. Now click on the file, go to Convert and click on Create AAC version. Then you have another file created from this song with the period of 30 seconds. Drag and drop the created file to the desktop. Now delete the original song with the file just we created. Select both of them and click delete. Delete songs. Move to recycle bin. Right click on the song file, just drag to the desktop, click rename, change only the last letter of the extension from A to R, press enter, click on yes. Connect your iPhone to the computer using lightning cable. Now search for the tunes in the list. Drag and drop the converted song into the tunes. The tune is synced to your iPhone. Let's move to the iPhone. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Sound and Haptics. Now tap on Ringtone. You can If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching.